Hello students, let us see this question here. A transformer may be used to provide the maximum power transfer between two AC circuits that have a different impedance Z1 and Z2. The ratio of turns N1 upon N2 needed to meet this condition. So let us make the transformer here. So if the transformer will be something like this. So these two are the circuits. Here this will be AC source here. So this is the primary circuit and this is the secondary circuit. So it is saying N1 upon N2. So this is N1 here and this can be taken as N2. So it is saying, so out of these four options you have to write here. So you can say, see, so N1 upon N2, this I know that is equal to E1 upon E2. Okay. So this is the equation 1. If I take this, you all know this is valid. So let us take the impedance of this one is Z1 and the impedance of this is Z2. So I can say from here the I1 will be, so if I take the primary circuit, so the I1 will be equal to E1 upon Z1, and similarly in the secondary circuit I2 I can write here E2 upon Z2. So this is the equation 2 if I take, and this is the equation 3. And since you are trying to get the maximum power, so I can say this will be equal to, this equation can also be equal to I2 upon I1. Alright. So right, in the case of maximum power transfer, you can say the transformer is ideal, and in the case of ideal transformer, you can add the current value also here, this ratio also satisfied. So if I take the equation 1 further, so I can say N1 upon N2 is equal to I2 upon I1, and I2 is equal to E2 here, E2, right, I2 is equal to E2 upon Z2 and I2 upon I1, and I1 is equal to, see, from the equation 2 I can say E1 upon Z1. Okay, and from, once again, if I take this further here, so this will become Z1 upon Z2, right, and E2 upon E1 is nothing but equal to N2 upon N1. Sorry, yeah, E2 upon E1 is nothing but N2 upon N1, because E2 upon E1 is equal to N2 upon N1. That is from the equation 1. So this I have written from this part of, right, this part of the equation. E1 upon E2 is equal to I2 upon I1. This is nothing but I2 upon I1. All I have done, I have replaced the value of I2 and I1 from the equation 2 and 3. Alright, so this I got. Then once again Z1, Z2 I have taken this side, and this becomes, E2 upon E1. So E2 upon E1 I know that is N2 upon N1 from here. So, and this is your N1 upon N2. So this N1 can be taken this side, so this will become N1 square, and this N2 can be taken this side, so this will become N2 square, and that is equal to Z1 upon Z2. So from here I can say N1 upon N2 must be equal, right, if I take the root both sides, so this will become N1 upon N2 and this will become Z1 upon Z2 root. So let us see which option is coming here. Option Z1 upon Z2. N1 upon N2 is equal to Z1 upon Z2 ka root. So option 4 is matching. So okay students, so option 4 will be there. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.